Hello everyone, welcome back to the Travel Consult channel. Today in this video we will talk about the importance of travel insurance to have it in every trip and every vacation. Also, we will explain the most important covers and benefits for any travel insurance, and I will tell you a few hints how to choose a good travel insurance provider. And finally, I will share with you, in my opinion, who is the best travel insurance provider that you can work with in this video. Thank you for watching. Wait for the next chapters and don't forget to share your feedback as a comment and to subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Welcome back to the first chapter. In this chapter, we will answer on the question that most of you still asking, which is, do we still need a travel insurance in every trip or vacation outside of our country? The answer is obviously yes. Now we will explain why it's very important and it's a must. First of all, maybe most of you will consider that travel insurance is just a dummy document that they are asking for visa purposes, for some other documents to do for trips. Also, some of you, they don't book it because they feel that travel agencies, they are trying to earn more money and selling more services for us. It's not really correct. Travel insurance should be one of your plans for any trip, same like when you book tickets, accommodations, excursions, outing, and many others. Travel insurance should be part of your trip. So now we will explain why it's important, what are the benefits, and what it covers as a travel insurance. First of all, travel insurance will start covering you even before reaching your destination. Let's consider that you reached your airport and you want to leave and you will lose your passport or you will lose any personal and critical document during the airport visit. So this for sure is covered by travel insurance. Second, another example. What if you will reach your destination and the officers of passport control will not let you enter for some reason? All fees and costs there will be covered by the travel insurance. Also, another important point, which can be very high cost. What if your trip will be cancelled? And maybe if your trip will be delayed for 4 or 5 hours, also it can be costly for you. This is all covered by travel insurance. So you see, we have lots of maybe unclear idea what travel insurance can cover with these cases. And now I will come to the most important case, which is the medical expenses. We all know that during our trip, we might have unknown risks, unexpected risks. We need to go to hospital. We have some poisoning from food. We need doctor consultation. We need ambulance. And even we need some advanced treatment for pandemics, especially what we all suffered for COVID-19. Now all insurance are covering COVID-19 and any other pandemic. So just expect that you have no travel insurance and you will need all these treatments for any medical expenses, any fracture, and for COVID-19. It will be really very high cost for us and it will harm our trip. So these are the most common benefits and covers for travel insurance. For sure, there are a lot I will share again in the body and the video description of this video. Now we will answer in the next chapter the question for how to choose the best travel insurance provider for our vacation. Welcome back. Let's answer for the question how to choose the best travel insurance provider for our vacation. First of all, you have to know that you should try to be far from those travel insurance providers dealing with agencies. I prefer if you go with a direct contact with a provider or with the online website of these providers, because many of the companies working with travel agencies, they are kind of scammers. When it comes to claims recovery and reimbursement, they will find unknown reasons just to not cover you. So this is not good for us and this will be risky for your trip. Second, read carefully reviews and customer experience for the planned provider for the travel insurance before booking with them, because you might have a clear idea what was the experience of those customers. Maybe they will share some tricks to be aware about. Maybe the provider have some hidden conditions, some low customer service, and maybe their support is not helpful at all. These can be really great reasons to not book with them. Also, you can check carefully in advance before booking the terms and conditions for protections, for covers, for deductible, because deductible is very important to know if you will have any claim. Maybe the first percentage or the first amount of money is on your expenses and not covered by the insurance. Also read about the modification policy, the cancellation policy, and this will give you also a clear idea if this provider is good, is fitting our needs, is fitting our budget, is fitting what we need to have during our trip. Finally, the last point is to care about the price. Very high prices and very low prices are not really those we need, because we all know the average of the market of a good travel insurance. The mid market is really about 1 to 1.5 dollar per day. So those who are much cheaper or those who are much more expensive, they are not the best ones, because we really can find good providers with these average of rates and no need to pay $50 for 1 week vacation for our trip. Now, in the final chapter, I will tell you, in my opinion, who is the best travel insurance provider that I worked with and that I had really very, very good experience with support, with customer service, with the way of booking, with the prices, with the covers. I enjoyed so much booking with them lots of times, and I'm sharing this company for all my customers, for all my friends, and they are really also having a great experience. This company is called Ekta Travel Insurance. I will share the website in the video description. I will share also a discounted link, so you will benefit from a discounted rates, not only the ordinary rates. With Ekta Travel Insurance, you can book online. You will receive a receipt directly to your email. You will receive your policy as PDF in just 1 second after booking. Also, when it comes to any modification to your policy, it's totally for free. Many providers, they don't agree to modify any small detail on the policy, or it will be chargeable at least. With Ekta, you can modify with for free, and you just fill a PDF, you send it back signed, and they will change any information you want. Also, when it comes to claims covering and reimbursement, you have to know that they have very helpful customer support team, and they can reply in just few seconds to you. I used to communicate with them on Telegram. They have an account there, and you can share with them your case, your policy number. They start assisting you, and you will see that the guys really are very helpful, and you will be satisfied after booking with them. Hopefully, this video was very informative for you. Hopefully, we replied to all of your questions, and believe me, don't miss this point of booking a travel insurance for any trip or any vacation, even if it's for one night. Thank you for watching. Wait for us for more videos, and we wish if you can subscribe to our channel and to share your feedback about this video on the comments. Thank you so much.